Today I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to Apple CarPlay in your Subaru. First, tap the phone button on your Subaru's touchscreen. You'll be asked if you'd like to add a new device. Select Yes. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings and then tap Bluetooth. Scroll down until you see your Subaru appear in the list. For example, you can see Outback here at the bottom of my screen. Tap your vehicle's name to start pairing. A pairing request will pop up on both screens. Make sure the codes on your iPhone and your Subaru's touchscreen match. If they do, tap Pair. Next, you'll be asked to allow access to your contacts and favorites. Choose Allow. This lets you make and receive hands-free calls safely while driving. Finally, you'll be prompted to connect to Apple CarPlay. Select Connect, and your apps, contacts, and messages will appear right on your Subaru's touchscreen. No need to unlock your phone. And that's it, you're all set up to enjoy Apple CarPlay in your Subaru.